What's up, world? I'm NazimSaliji and welcome back to the channel, you guys. I really appreciate you tuning in once again. I have one sneaker with me and it's a freaking banger, you guys. So thank you for being patient with me. I'm just gonna do this one sneaker, short and sweet, and it's a really rare, extremely rare pair of Air Jordan 1s. A rare grail. So I'm just gonna show you guys, we'll get right into it. I ordered it off GOAT and I was comparing prices on StockX and GOAT, and the StockX prices were astronomical. So I saw one that was not as crazy on GOAT. So here's the GOAT stickers and everything that you get in the GOAT shipment. The authenticity verified, GOAT verified card right there, in case you guys haven't seen it before. And this one pair of sneakers is the Jordan 1 Igloo, you guys. Check it out right here. You got the mint green on the back, on the bottom, and it's just a very plain sneaker, you guys. Very plain sneaker. The leather isn't like the best, but it does have some soft leather on the toe box and some decent, it's kind of not the best on the side here, but the toe box is definitely pretty nice. And the leather on the back here is actually pretty smooth, so I do like the leather on the back here. But it just reminds me of, like, you know, the fragments, because it's just the color blocking is exactly the same pretty much. And I got the fragments right behind me there. But you got the extra laces there, the mint green laces, you got stock black laces, and it's just an insane shoe. This is part of the Art Basel pack that came out. The other one was the Rust Pink, and this is obviously the Igloo pair, but the Rust Pinks right now are kind of unattainable for me just because I don't want to spend that money for that shoe right now. Maybe in a couple years from now, but in a couple years from now it might be even more unattainable. But yeah, I was able to get this one, and it's a really extremely limited sneaker, you guys. Came out down in the Art Basel show, the art show down in Miami, and just a shoe that, you know, is only going to go up over time. So I thought if I don't pull the trigger now, it's probably something I'll never get. So I'm going to compare it a little bit, since it's the only shoe that I have. I'm going to compare it with the fragments. And so here's the fragment, you guys. You got the obviously the blue and the blue bottom right there, black toe, white toe box. Same thing with here. You got mint green bottom, mint green back, black toe box on the front. When I say black toe, it's a white toe box, but the front is black. So same color blocking when it comes to these. Same color blocking, but obviously, you know, fragment and the Art Basel Igloos. But tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Which one would you cop if you had the choice? I keep telling you guys, my ones collection is getting ridiculous, and it's getting even more ridiculous. And I do have 2 more ones on the way. And I just announced my giveaway, so congratulations to the giveaway winner. I will be doing future giveaways, you guys. So that's just, you know, I love to get back on the channel. It's not all about me just attaining sneakers. I want to give back as much as I can, and the more the channel grows, the more I can give back, because right now I'm just giving out of my own pocket and the channel's not really making any money. So if you guys rock with that, subscribe to the channel, like the videos. You know, the more I grow, the more I can give back to you guys. But let me know in the comment section, you guys. That's all I have for you today. What would you pick? Would you pick the Igloos or the fragments? I really want to know. Let me know down below. That's it for today's video, guys. Short and sweet, but an extremely rare grail, you guys. Extremely limited grail. So yeah, if you like this video, like I said, leave a like down below, and I'll have another video for you shortly. I appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.